Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a really long time. So our last video was wait, let me see here. So our last video was 1 month ago, which is like 3 weeks. It says 3 weeks, but it was almost 1 month ago, and all these other ones. So our last one was for doing the JS intro, the JavaScript intro. Please watch that video before this one, so you know exactly what I'm doing, or you might not understand. So so let's get started. So we so I told you guys that we're gonna be doing we're gonna be using an app or like an application for this coding. So you better see these three videos: the HTML, CSS, and the JS ones. You can see our progress if you want to, because our progress, like I'm just saying, what's the progress of our channel. So we're gonna be doing that. So first, we have to download this app called Brackets. You can see on my bottom here. Here's Brackets, the brackets, and all these other things. So you can see here. I have to. This is the drive I have. It's for Windows and Mac. So, Windows users and Mac users, I'll be sharing the link here. It's right here, the link. So I'll be sharing it with you guys so you can download this for yourself too. So, what we gotta do is if you don't know if you're a Mac user or a Windows user. So, if you're a Mac user, you just gotta take your scroller here, which I'm moving. You see this? You see the pointer? You have to move it down here. It will show you some apps, or another way is that you see the laptop. That laptop on the front, on the cover, it shows Apple sign. Like, let me show you. It shows an Apple sign like this. This right here. It will show an Apple sign like this here, like this one right here. And for Windows user, if you see the Windows button on your keyboard and click on it, or you can see it down here. You can just click on this right like this. You see? So if you're a Windows user, click on Windows user. Might take a double click or something. Then click on this. And then if you are a Mac user, click on this. So pretty much like everyone can use this. So click on this here and it will download it for you. So I'm not going to do it right now because I already have downloaded it and I don't want to download it again. I mean, that would be weird. So when you go to brackets here, you'd see this. But before you use brackets, let me just delete this file because I don't need it. I mean, I'll delete it later. But if you want to use brackets, then you got to right click here. This is the same thing for Mac. Click on new. It should say, yeah, here. Click on folder, new folder. You can name it whatever you want. Okay, this is what I named mine. And then if you go to brackets, you see file here. Click on file. Click on open folder. Go if you're it will show us. Go to whatever other one, and then go back to desktop, and then you can see your file here. Click on select file folder, and it will show you up. So let me just delete that other one. because I don't need it. Let me just put it here, and there you go. So now if you go back to brackets, you see this black side here. Wait, let me just go not 4K because I'm in a 4K monitor, and it might look really weird to you guys. So you see, it just changed the whole thing. So what you gotta do is right click here, go to new file, and name it what was it? It was index.html. You have to do that. Then it will give you an HTML file. Then you have to do new file. You have to do the exact same thing what I'm doing or it will not work at all. So style.css, new file, main.js, and there you go. So you can see here you have these three files. So first go to index. So before you do anything, go to file and go to extension manager. Click on that. And you can see all of this. So let it just load. I don't know why. Okay, so view. So you have to type in beautify. Oh, beautify. Yeah. So install this one here. The second one, if you type in beautify correctly, you can see it right up here. Just download it, and it will download you on the right side here. Yeah. And also, I forgot this name. Let me see, what was its name? HTML skeleton. Okay, so go back to the extension manager and type exactly what I'm doing. Caps HTML skeleton. Okay, so if you go down a little, here it is. You have to do this one here. So it's easier for you. So close this. So when you have the HTML skeleton downloaded, if you can't download it, then just do what I normally do, HTML, and then head title. You see, look at this. Look at this. It does the ending line for yourself, so you don't have to worry if you didn't do it. So if you do title, it will also show it here. I know, do it by yourself. Write whatever title you want. I'm just gonna write YouTube web page. There. So there you go. And that's all you have to do. Or instead, if you have it downloaded it, then you see over here. So this is Beautify. We're not going to use that right now. This one here. Don't do anything about these two. I'll tell you about them later. And then you see this one. Click on this. And I'll tell you which one you want. So we just want basic HTML skeleton. Then click on done. And it will completely do it for you right away. So you can delete these meta things because we don't want them. Just delete them. Okay, so in the title, I'm just gonna write YouTube web page. Okay, so if you want to link, like we have to link the what was it, the style CSS and main JS, but we're just gonna do the style CSS for now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put it like this. I'm just seeing what was the linking thing because I forgot. I wrote it down here. Okay. So the linking is this. So let me just put my book here. Okay, where is I? Yeah, here. Enter link link. You don't want this. Okay, wait. We have to, it'll do the end of the link for us, so we're just gonna link. Oh. So it's link is like a one thing. So we just have to do this and go inside and type in href, and then this. No, it's this, and then like this, and then whatever the okay, yeah, no, it's not ref. Sorry, it's rel. Rel equals to style sheet. Sorry, I know I'm like I forgot it accidentally. So ref, then ref, do the ref. Okay, we equals to, and then we have to do style.css, and there you go. You did your linking. Now we'll link together. We're gonna do the main.js later. So now we have our thing. We can click on beautify, and it'll like beautify it for us. Like it will do it for us. So now we have to do this. Then we can do maybe h1. H1. I'm just gonna do a really, really simple one for starting, and then we'll like upgrade this, upgrade this like really a lot. So yeah, so we're just gonna do H1. This is my first ever published web page on Google. Okay, and you can tell about yourself. So we can write but what can we write? Maybe you can do H2. Do H2. Let's delete this part. I accidentally wrote that. Okay, H2, and maybe you can write about myself. Okay, now enter P, do P, which is paragraph, and H1 and H2 is headings. So heading 1, heading 2, and the more heading, like the more numbers you go, the smaller the text will be. So yeah, so P, then we have to type in my hobbies. We can write my hobbies, and then like this, I like to make YouTube videos, and also like to code. Okay, and also we can write I do martial arts. I mean, this is all about myself. You write your hobby, so you can pause the video, quickly write this, and then you can unpause it again. So I do martial arts. I also like to I like to paint. Additionally, I like to play with my sister. I like to play with my lil sis, little sis, and then period. Okay, so now that's done, we're gonna add a div tag. So div, And then we can do the div tag ID equals to line. Yeah, so that's the ID here. And we can also add a class. So the class is like a class is like a group of something. You can make a group of something, and then after you write it in CSS, all the places you put the class and that actual name, that same name, it'll go to that everyone. So we're just gonna add the class here, and then we're gonna add some more divs. So class equals to maybe div line. I'm gonna write that. Yeah, div line. So now we're gonna enter, and actually we're gonna put the div above the paragraph, so you can just copy this, Control C or Command C, and then above here, enter, Control V. Okay, so yeah, so now we can add maybe what we like to eat. So we can write another P. My favorite food. My favorite food would be I like to eat pizza. Pizza. What else? Mac and cheese. Mac and cheese. What else? Let me think. Uh, I don't really know. Oh, yeah, pasta. Quesadillas. I don't really know how to spell it though. I'm just gonna do my best quesadillas. I'm just gonna search that up later. Quesadillas, and that's it. So we can add and right after quesadillas. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And the next is another P. What can we do about the third P? Let's see. Uh, Maybe that's all we can write. So we can delete this. And then after you see the first one here, you can click on live preview. This top one here, click on it. It will send you to an not signed in Google. And this is what you did. And for now, we can start with the CSS. So if you go to CSS, then you can do body, enter, alignment, text align, text align. You see, it does it by itself. So just do a center, and that's it. It's a really good app. I mean, from my opinion. So we can also do font family. So font family, enter. I like monospace or inherit. I'll do inherit. Inherit looks good. And then that's it. So now, oh wait, also the background color. We can do a linear gradient. So not in gradient, linear gradient. So if you go down here, we can go to color picker. Yeah. So pick two colors. I like this color. So you copy the hex. Go back to this. Type in linear gradient. Lead. I don't know how to spell it. Maybe I'll see it. How about grady? Wait, let me maybe see on my other file. See, I have a lot of files. Yes, I'd like to save it. So let me go. Let me see. Where's my linear gradient? Here it is. Oh, yeah. So first we have to do background. So let's go back to YouTube brackets. Background. Background is linear gradient. Let me see. Let me just copy it from there and then you okay, so wait. This one. Yes, save. Thank you. And then I'll just copy this because actually I won't copy it. Now I know how it'll do it. So let me just go back to brackets. Radiant. Yes, finally. Then we have to do this. We have to put the hex color in. 0. Wait. Now let's see back here. So we have to save here. So this is what you do. So let's go back. 0%. And then we need the next color. So we can back to the color picker. We can maybe do a little greenish. I like this color. You copy the hex back here. Do this. Then do 100%. And there you go. So now you just have to do Control S here. Go here. Go here. Load page. And there you go. There's your linear gradient color. So it will repeat though, which is kind of annoying sometimes. But yeah, if you want to fix that, then you have to go back to brackets, go to index.html, go under the body, type in section, okay? Copy the part where you wrote, copy this, delete, and put it in here. So enter, there. So now it's in the section. So if you go to the style CSS, then you copy this part, which we did, backspace it, type in section, and like this, do it. There you go. So now we have it. So we can go, and then we can change this color maybe to this color. No, this one. So let me just copy this. Copy. And then we go to background, and here's the color. So you can do that with your arrow keys. There you go. Then you have to do Control S here to save it. Or you can go to File and then do Save As or Save. Go back here, reload the page. And, that's weird. Maybe so we can maybe just do this color here. We can do linear gradient, so we can do Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. And we have it back. So, and we can go back to index.html, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. And there you go. And if we go back to style, we have the same thing, which we want. Reload. What? That's weird. Oh, now it'll do it. That's weird. Background linear gradient. Oh. So if I go to, we have to wait. Did we delete? Yeah, we have to Control S this too. Reload. Go back here. Go to Style CSS. Copy, backspace, Control V. And there you go. That should work. Control S. Control S this too. Reload. That is weird. Live preview was canceled for unknown reason. Oh, so you can just do the thing again. Let it work. So if linear gradient works for you, that's fine. I don't know why it's not work for me. But if you know a lot about coding, you want to make articles and buttons and other stuff, then what you can do is we have to go here. We have to go to our drive. So let me go to my drive. Okay, let me just put it back down because then we can go back in 4K mode. So drive.google.com. We have to do this. No, yeah, we have to do to upload folder. We have to right click, then click on upload folder. Then we have to go to desktop, click on the YouTube brackets 1 or whatever your name is. The name is of your thing. So now it's just a security thing. Just do it. Okay, so on the bottom here, it's made. So now it will show you right here. You just gotta right click it and click on share. You wouldn't share with everyone. That'd be just weird. So what you have to do is do anyone with the link. You can also, nope, you can't do that. So now we have done that. Anyone with the link on the internet. So now done. Now we have to go to this place called DriveToWeb. I'll also put the link to that. And yeah, so DriveToWeb. So you see this YouTube brackets, that's the name. Click on that link and let it load. So here it is. So you can also go to view the page source. So Control U, do Control U. And here's the thing. So it'll do the script by itself. So that's cool. I don't know why it's not showing the body, but I guess that happens. But so this is my first ever published and everything. So we can go back. Okay, it's already here. So whoever will have this link here. I don't know how to change the link, so I'll maybe do that in the next video or the next video after that. So here's the link. If you copy it, do it, anyone on it, they can do it like that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button. Like smash it, destroy it. Literally, just destroy it. Just smash it, and also do the like button. And yeah, pretty much that's it. So hope you enjoyed. Bye.